We all have habits we'd like to change. Whether it's smoking, procrastination, or unhealthy eating, breaking free can seem impossible. But with the right approach, it's achievable. Here are 6 proven steps to help you break bad habits and addictions fast. Identify the trigger. Every habit has a trigger. Recognize the situations or emotions that prompt your behavior. Step 2. Replace with a positive habit. Instead of focusing on stopping the bad habit, replace it with a positive one. Step 3. Set clear goals. Define what success looks like. Setting clear, achievable goals keeps you motivated. Step 4. Seek support. You're not alone. Share your journey with friends, family, or support groups. Step 5. Practice self-compassion. Slip-ups happen. Don't be too hard on yourself. Learn from them and move forward. Step 6. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. The more you practice your new habit, the stronger it becomes. Breaking bad habits isn't easy, but with determination and these 6 steps, you can reclaim control and build a healthier, happier life. Follow for more videos.